Hello everyone, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. I'm really happy you are here with me today. In this video, we are going to talk about a powerful idea that can completely change your life if you use it every day. The topic is mastering the art of daily excellence. While we talk about this topic, you are not only learning about success and motivation, you are also training your English. You are improving your listening. And when I ask you to repeat, you will be improving your speaking too. So this video is like a gym for your mind and a gym for your English at the same time. Now, what is daily excellence? Some people hear this and think, oh no, this sounds stressful. Excellence means perfection. Excellence means no mistakes. But that is not what I mean. Daily excellence is not about being perfect. It is not about being better than everyone else. It is about doing your best today with what you have where you are. It is about small, consistent actions. It is about caring a little more about how you live each day. Daily excellence is an art. You can learn it. You can practice it. And if you practice it, your life will improve in ways that will surprise you. To help you feel this idea, let me tell you a short story. Imagine a young woman named Maya. Maya is 26 years old. Her life is not terrible, but it is not exciting either. She wakes up late, often checks her phone in bed for 30 minutes, then rushes to work. She usually arrives just on time, sometimes a little late. At work, she does what she must, but nothing more. She scrolls social media during breaks. She is often tired and unmotivate. At home, she says, I want to improve my English. I want to get fit. I want to read more. But in reality, she watches random videos, eats whatever is easy, and goes to bed late. She often tells herself, from next Monday, I will change. But next Monday never really comes. Days pass, weeks pass, and nothing changes. One evening, she is talking to her older cousin, who is very calm, successful, and joyful. Maya asks her, how do you do it? How did you create such a nice life? Her cousin smiles and says, I decided to practice daily excellence. Not big things. Small things done well every day. Maya is confused. What does that mean? She asks. Her cousin explains, it means when I wake up, I don't ask, how can I be perfect today? I ask, how can I do this day with excellence? So I make my bed. I drink water. I arrive early to work. I do my job properly. I take care of my body. I speak kindly. I learn at least one new thing. I don't always feel like doing these things, but I do them most days. And over time, these simple choices created a new life. Maya goes home and thinks about this conversation. She realizes something important. She is always waiting for a big change, a big chance, a big motivation. But her cousin is building her life with small, daily choices. Maya decides to try this art of daily excellence for herself. Just for 1 week. The next morning, she wakes up 15 minutes earlier. She makes her bed. She drinks a glass of water. She puts her phone away and listens to an English podcast for 10 minutes. At work, she decides to focus fully when she is doing a task instead of splitting her attention. She smiles more. She speaks more clearly. When she comes home, instead of random scrolling, she reads 5 pages of a book. These are not huge actions, but they feel different. She feels more in control of her day. After 1 week, she feels proud. After 1 month, people at work start to notice. Her manager says, you seem more focused lately. After 3 months, she feels like a different person. Her life situation didn't suddenly turn into a fairy tale, but her experience of life changed. Because she changed the way she lives each day. This is what I want for you. Not a fantasy life, but a real, stronger, happier, more excellent version of your real life, one day at a time. So, how can you master the art of daily excellence? Let's break it down in a simple way. First, you need to understand that daily excellence is about identity. It is about how you see yourself. Many people say, I am lazy. I am messy. I am always late. I am not disciplined. When you say these things again and again, you start to believe them. And when you believe them, you act like them. To master daily excellence, you begin to tell yourself a different story. You start to say, I am someone who does things well. I am someone who cares about details. I am someone who shows up. At the beginning, this might feel strange, because maybe your past actions were not excellent. But remember, you are not your past. You are your choices today. Let's practice this with some simple English sentences. Repeat after me. I am becoming a person of daily excellence. Again, I am becoming a person of daily excellence. I do my best with what I have. Every day. Again, I do my best with what I have every day. I am not perfect, but I am progressing. Again, I am not perfect, but I am progressing. Very good. Second, daily excellence is about attention. Where is your attention during the day? When you work, are you really working or half working and half checking your phone? When you study English, are you focused or are you thinking about 20 other things? Excellence begins when you give your full attention to what you are doing right now. Even if it is something small, for example, washing dishes. Most people hate it. They do it quickly with no care. But a person practicing daily excellence says, if I am washing dishes, I will do it well. I will be present. I will finish the job completely. This simple change builds discipline and respect for yourself. Third, daily excellence is about intention. Intention means why you do something. Many people wake up and let the day push them around. They react to messages, to problems, to other people's plans. They do not lead their day. They only follow. But when you practice daily excellence, you wake up with intention. You decide, today I will live well. Today I will give my best effort. Today I will move 1% closer to my goals. You don't need to control everything. You just need to choose your attitude and a few key actions. Fourth, daily excellence is about small, repeatable actions. You don't need complex systems or big goals written on the wall. You need a few simple actions that you repeat every day until they become part of you. Let's talk about some areas of your life where you can practice daily excellence. Starting today, think first about your mornings. Your morning sets the tone for your day. Daily excellence in the morning can be very simple. Maybe it means you wake up at a consistent time. You make your bed. You drink water. You spend 10 to 20 minutes with English, listening or reading. You do not start your day by scrolling social media in bed. These small actions say to your brain, today matters. I respect this day. Next, think about your work or study. Daily excellence at work does not always mean doing more hours. It means doing your work with care. It means being on time or even a little early. It means finishing what you start. It means not complaining about everything, but looking for solutions. It means treating people with respect, even when you are tired. Then, think about your body and energy. Daily excellence for your body might look like this. Moving at least a little every day, even a short walk. Drinking more water. Choosing better food more often. Sleeping at a healthy time. You don't have to become a fitness model. You just choose not to treat your body like a garbage can. Also, think about your relationships. Daily excellence means you listen when someone talks to you. You put your phone down when your child or your partner is telling you something important. You say thank you and sorry when needed. You speak honestly but kindly. You give people your presence, not just your physical body. And finally, think about your growth. Daily excellence and growth means you learn something every day. It can be English, a professional skill, a life skill, anything. Maybe you read 2 pages of a book. Maybe you watch one useful video. Maybe you practice a new word in English. You tell yourself every day, I feed my mind. Now you might think, this is too much. How can I do all of this? Don't worry. You don't need to change everything in one day. The art of daily excellence is to choose just a few key habits and start small. Simple way is this. Choose 3 things you will do with excellence every day. Just 3. For example, you can decide, number 1. I will spend at least 15 minutes practicing English with full focus. Number 2. I will move my body for at least 10 minutes. Number 3. I will do one task at work or at home with my full attention and complete it fully. Of course, you will do many other things during the day. But these 3 are your excellence anchors. Even if your day is messy, if you do these 3 things, you are still practicing the art of daily excellence. Let's practice a few more sentences together. Repeat after me. Small daily actions create big change in my life. Again, small daily actions create big change in my life. I choose 3 things to do with excellence today. Again, I choose 3 things to do with excellence today. I focus on being 1% better, not on being perfect. Again, I focus on being 1% better, not on being perfect. Now, of course, there are obstacles. If daily excellence was easy, everyone would do it. You will meet resistance from inside yourself. You will feel lazy some days. You will hear a voice that says, it doesn't matter. Just skip today. Who cares? That voice wants comfort. It does not care about your future. So what can you do? One simple trick is what I call the just 5 minutes rule. When you don't feel like practicing excellence, tell yourself, okay, I will do it, but only for 5 minutes. 5 minutes of English listening. 5 minutes of cleaning. 5 minutes of walking. After 5 minutes, you can stop if you want. But very often, after starting, you will continue longer. Starting is the hard part. Continuing is easier. Another important thing is how you talk to yourself when you fail. Because yes, some days you will not be excellent. Some days you will oversleep, eat junk, skip English, be lazy at work. If in those moments you say, see, I'm useless, I can never change, you will stay stuck. Instead, daily excellence means you respond differently. You say, okay, today was not my best. That's fine. Tomorrow I come back. I don't quit, perfection says. If I miss one day, I failed. Excellence says, even if I fall, I stand up again. Let's repeat that idea together. I don't need to be perfect. I only need to come back every day. Again, I don't need to be perfect. I only need to come back every day. Very good. Now. Because this is the English Speaking and Listening Club. Let's connect everything directly to your English journey. What does daily excellence look like for your English? It might look like listening to English every day, even for 10 or 15 minutes, with full focus. It might look like repeating sentences out loud, even if you feel shy. It might look like learning 3 new words and actually using them in a sentence. It might look like writing a short paragraph about your day. It might look like speaking to a friend or to yourself in the mirror for a few minutes. You don't need to study English for 3 hours every day. If you can do that, wonderful, but you don't have to. Excellence is not about the number of hours. It is about the quality of your attention and the consistency of your practice. Imagine your English 6 months from now if you practice daily excellence with just 20 minutes a day. That is about 600 minutes per month, 3,600 minutes in 6 months. That is 60 hours of focused English practice. Do you think your English would be better after 60 focused hours? Of course it would. That is the power of daily excellence. Before we finish, I want to guide you through a short mental exercise. It will help you feel what daily excellence can do for your life. If you can, close your eyes for a moment. If not, just imagine while listening. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in and out. Let your body relax. Now imagine one day in your future. Maybe 1 month from now, where you have practiced daily excellence most days. You wake up and you don't feel perfect, but you feel proud. You know you have been doing your best. You go through your day in your mind. You see yourself making your bed, drinking water, doing your small English practice with full focus. You see yourself at work or school, giving attention to your tasks. You see yourself moving your body, even if just a little. You see yourself speaking more kindly to yourself and to others. You feel more confident, more in control, more peaceful. This is not a dream. This is simply the result of small daily choices. Now say softly in your mind, or out loud if you can, every day I practice the art of daily excellence. Again, every day. I practice the art of daily excellence. Take one more deep breath in and out and open your eyes. You don't need a perfect life to begin. You don't need perfect English to begin. You don't need more money, more time, or more talent to begin. You only need the decision to live today with a little more excellence than yesterday. So, after this video, I invite you to choose your 3 daily excellence actions. Keep them small. Keep them realistic. But do them with focus and care. Maybe one of them is, I will listen to English speaking and listening club for 15 minutes every day and repeat out loud. That is already a powerful step. Let's end with a few final affirmations. Repeat after me. I choose daily excellence over daily excuses. Again, I choose daily excellence over daily excuses. Today, I will do small things in a great way. Again, today, I will do small things in a great way. My future success is built on my daily habits. Again, my future success is built on my daily habits. I'm mastering the art of daily excellence. Again, I am mastering the art of daily excellence. Very well done. I'm proud of you for listening, for learning, and for practicing your English and your mindset at the same time. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.